An extensive joint operation was carried out by the TSR, CRPF and police in the Goalabasti area following a confidential tip-off. During the raid, the team seized local liquid and a quantity of cannabis. In the crackdown, 9 individuals including drug users and dealers were taken into custody. Acting on secret information, a joint operation involving the police, TSR and CRPF was conducted in the Goalabasti area. During the search, the team seized locally brewed liquor along with a small quantity of cannabis. A total of 9 individuals have been detained. The officer in charge of NCC police station, Projit Malakar, shared detailed information about the raid and the arrest.
গোপন খবর ছিল যে গোলাবস্তি কিছু বাড়িতে অবৈধভাবে মদ এবং গাঁজা ড্রাগস বিক্রি করে। সেই খবরের ভিত্তিতে আমরা সিএসআর সিআরপি পুলিশ নিয়ে রেড করি এবং মোট আমরা 9 জনকে আটক করি এবং 3টি মোটর বাইক সিজ করি এবং একজন মদ বিক্রেতাকে আমরা আটক করি, থানায় নিয়ে যাই। 50 লিটারের মতো দেশের বাংলা মদ পাওয়া গেছে এবং অল্প সংখ্যক কিছু গাঁজা পাওয়া গেছে, শুকনো গাঁজা পাওয়া গেছে। আমরা এগুলি আমরা লাস্ট কিছু ধরে এই অভিযান জারি রেখেছি এবং এটা চলতে থাকবে সামনের দিন।
Police also seized 3 motorcycles during the raid. On Sunday, the detainees were taken into custody by the NCC police station. Reported by Amit from Agadla, Chini, Khorang.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Department of English at Techno India University, Tripura.
We are not just learning English here, we also learn how to question, how to think and how to use.
Our classes are not just only about textbook, we connect literature with real life, talking about AI, mental health and global communication.
With our language lab and Coursera modules, we build communication and soft skills every day. And I even earned a free international certificate thanks to Techno India University, Tripura.
We have presented posters at Assam University, Silchar and other institutions, gaining real confidence and exposure.
We celebrate Shakespeare Day, Yoga Day, sports and film screening, making learning lively and holistic.
Our teachers aren't just faculty, they are our mentors, guiding us for clearing doubts anytime and genuinely supporting.
We are studying more than English. Courses from law, management, biology are all part of our interdisciplinary journey.
This is more than just a department, it's a journey.
From school to university and from literature to life.
Join us, this is literature for the future.